Injera, Ethiopia's staple food and gift to the world. This book teaches you how to bake injera anywhere in the world. Baking injera is more than cooking. It is an indigenous art and science, a unique form of knowledge developed and perfected by Ethiopian women through generations. Injera, Ethiopia's most loved food. Injera is the most appreciated food in Ethiopia because of its pleasant flavor, delicious taste, soft texture, satisfying quality, and wholesome nutrition. These qualities came from the various grains used to make it, including teff, barley, sorghum, maize, wheat, finger millet, rice, cassava, taro, and other cereals. The flour is carefully processed to produce a fermented sour dough. After 2 or 3 days of fermentation, the dough is mixed into a thin batter, allowed to rise, and then baked on traditional injera metad griddle. Injera can be prepared in 2 main ways: moderately fermented, known as aflenya, or well fermented, called yeboka. Freshly baked injera is known as lemlem injera. Depending on the room temperature, type of grain, and processing method, lemlem injera can stay fresh for more than 2 days. Wherever you are in the world, you can bake your own injera, a nutritious, delicious, and truly unique Ethiopian food. Remember, this is one of the great gifts Ethiopia has shared with the world. If you are interested in learning more, please contact me through this platform for the complete book. Please share this video with others. Thank you for your support.